an opening and a very small hole, somewhat like this, but this is not the uterus. I think what this is this is the oviduct, to where, and what we have here is the ovary. Can you see how it's all gnarly from all the follicles that have been released in the past? And this would be your fimbriae. It's kind of falling apart here. But it's a little different than in humans in that it's more cap-like. It's almost like a little hoodie that you can put over it. So it's a cap that protects it, and then it draws the ova into it, and then you can see the oviduct, and that's what you're seeing here. Is I think this is your oviduct.
Okay, so wait, so this is like the amniotic sac. It's not the uterus.
This is the uterus. So this all right here is one branch. So this is one horn, one uterine horn.
Okay.
And what I think happened is these got cut off, and so the uterus would have been right here. Then you would have had one arm go this way,
Oh, the horn.
one
okay,
arm
okay, I
go
see what
this
you're
way. So this would be the end of one arm where the ovary would have been, and then the fimbriae. So I think this just got dissected already, and that's why it's looking this way. This is the other branch, and it still has the ovary attached. This is the fimbriae, and then we go down here, and then this is your uterus. So this would be your perimetrium, and this part in here would be your endometrium, and that endometrium is one part of that's going to be the part of the placenta, and this would be where the maternal blood source would come from. Then this would be your actual placenta. Your placenta has 2 layers in it, and it has, this structure would be called, actually, let's see, there should have been another structure here. This structure right here would have been called the well, let's see. We'll dissect. This is the placenta. In here would have been the amniotic fluid and the little fetus. And this would be part of it, and then this with this together would be the coverings that it would. We're gonna cut one open here. This will be easier to discuss because this one's open.
Okay, is that the inside of one of these?
Yes.
Cut up already?
Here is one of these.
Is there a pig inside?
Do we want to
Is there a
cut?
baby?
Let's.
Can we cut this one? I want this pig.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Get yourself a tray.
Yes.
Is there a pig in that one?
There is in this one. This one I'm going to just use as the demo, and then if y'all want to. So here we can see when we pull this out.
Sure.
This is okay. Oh no, you'll want one for you, and then we'll need to get some scissors. This is that chorion that I was talking about, and it's got 2 layers, and it's kind of hard to see right now because it's all kind of messed up. Nah, we'll go ahead and leave this. One has little bumps on it. That's called the chorion, and those are called areola. And then you have that inner one, it's called the allantois. Then you have another layer, and here, let's see if we can pull it out. This is the amnion, which this forms the cover around that would protect it. And then inside you would have your fetus with the umbilical cord. So this is the amnion, and that fluid in there is the amniotic fluid.
Does
You know
he
that
have like
amniotic
stubs
fluid is
for
mostly
legs yet?
pee?
You'll find out. I'll let you.
We all drank our own pee as babies, fetuses.
We did?
That's right.
Yeah, amniotic fluid is pee.
Okay. So if this is the one you want,
Yep. Can I cut it?
cut it, yeah.
Because like us. Well, how much do you like want me to cut? Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping.
Okay. And then,
I'm just gonna move this out. Other side. Sorry.
usually I have you cut these off,
Okay.
but I'm not gonna have you cut them off today.
Should I just
Yeah, just cut it this way a little bit.
cut where like this way?
Yeah, we usually have more to share, and this time we don't, so I wanna be a little,
Conscientious.
yes.
Sorry, is it splattering?
I just don't want it to.
Okay.
You're fine.
Don't cut his little head.
I'm trying not to.
Wait, stop. Okay, now go. Now cut. Okay. So here we go. Okay, bring your tray a little bit closer.
Oh, I can see its snout.
Yeah, I can tell. Oh, he's got legs.
Okay.
Buddy.
Cute.
Oh,
Now you'll
he
have
just
to
like
cut
laid
this
in there
off.
so soft.
The sack is grossing me out.
I know.
So that's the amnion that's around him?
This one's actually the chorion still, it's called the chorion vesicle to be exact in pigs. And then if, and then inside there's one more membrane, and in that membrane is the amnion. Okay, go ahead and just, okay. And now this is, can you see this membrane? That's the amniotic membrane. And there's that fluid in there.
Oh.
Okay, now,
That's
see, they're attached, so they're kind of,
So the amniotic one's like the clear one?
yeah, So now you can kind of cut this one open just so that we can save it and peel it. And then,
like that, like just little.
yeah. So now, so this was your amnion, and this was your chorion. Okay. Do you want the honors?
Yes, I do.
Pull mine out. Labor and delivery nurse right here.
Birthday 101.
Oh, honey. Look
So
at
now
him.
this is your placenta, your umbilical cord, and your little fetus.
Look at his little mouth.
Little, oh my gosh.
Cute. Oh my god.
So did they slaughter these pigs?
my phone.
Probably. These were probably destined for the slaughterhouse, and so we got the benefits of it. I don't know. Okay. So if you want to dissect it further, you may.
Let's go dissect this.